Hey guys, Kaz with Choate Engineering Performance back with you today. I'm really excited about this product release that we've done. We have worked really hard to bring the very best in the industry to you for all your cylinder head needs. Tons of you guys are out there replacing head gaskets and sourcing parts and trying to get a good machine shop to do the work for you. We've solved all your problems. If you're a shop and you're getting hung up with cabs hanging in the air and just slow down because you're waiting on the guy at the machine shop to get the work done for you, don't worry, we've got you covered. So what this kit comes with is the cylinder head of your choice. Now keep in mind we have 4 different stages on most cylinder heads, anything from mild to wild, whether it be a stock replacement that fixes all the problems that the OE created, or a wild build, so something that you can go and party and play with. It comes with the gasket kit, so all the O-rings and accessories that you'll need to do the job. Everything from the exhaust manifold side all the way up. You're not hunting and sourcing this stuff. And it also comes with a stud kit. So this will keep your stuff clamped down, keep the head from lifting. If you are wanting to do a performance build, we've got options for different studs. We've got options for different cylinder heads like we mentioned, and all of them come with a warranty. So there's no reason not to call today. Give us a shout so we can get on the phone with you, get you fixed up, taken care of, back on the road, and making money. Talk to you guys soon.